Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to dye my hair again. So last time I did bleach and dyed my hair blue, as you can see on the video. So if you want to check, the video is on the description down below. So this is the hair color after a few weeks. Faded right now, but there are some yellowish or color that really tough to remove even though I use silver shampoo. I don't know, maybe it's just a really bad quality silver shampoo, or maybe because I'm a brunette or something, it doesn't work for me, or I don't know. But I did bleach my hair on that video twice, and it's still from the bangs to the back of my hair. I'm gonna show you the back, the under layers of my hair throughout the bangs all the way here. Like you can see, there's like yellowish close to the roots. Let's just get started. Use this one. It's like a purpley something. Here in Denmark, guys, it's really hard to find a really good bleach and stuff because it's so different here. They have a lot of restriction with everything, and it wasn't really a priority at first to, you know, doing my hair and stuff. Kind of boring sometimes, like just black hair. If you know a website where I can order a bunch of bleach for my type of hair, then can you just comment down below and let me know. Tube like this, and you need to mix and just do like that in the hair, which is, for me, it's kind of like hard to do because I really prefer to use a bowl than just a tube and do like this. I feel like this one is only work when you only dye your hair on the roots, but when it's only like the rest of your hair, it's better to use brush and bowl. Then I need to put the oil. Mix. Okay, I actually don't know how to dye my hair. I think some of my black hair is gonna be colored, but I'm trying to focus on the bangs and the rest of the underlayers hair. So this one like this goes in. I'm just gonna move the camera first, like that, because I cannot see on the mirror. Right, I need to turn on the lights. Okay, so the light is yellow, that's why it turned yellow. The result is not gonna be the same in the box because my color is blue. Yeah. Strong smell. It's really strong smell. The hair dyed in here, but it's not like, it's okay for me. Strong smell as long as you're effective, as long as you really work. See, you're gonna comb so that they're evenly coated. See all the yellow, kind of like greenish something. I really don't like it. It's really strong, this one. Oh my god. Okay, as long as you're effective, it's okay. I can suffer. Okay, let me see. I need to focus on the front because I don't like it yellow. Now in the back is gonna be the hard part. I gotta see. I don't even know if the hair color is enough. Probably not enough. Turn into a gray something. gonna do some of the lower part of my black hair because they've been bleached before, so they kinda like color brown. So I'm gonna put the rest of the hair color on the
Mom,
Hi.
what are you doing?
I'm shooting. I'm coloring my hair.
Happy. What's the
No, it's purple now. So I'm just gonna let it sit for 30 minutes and we'll see. Hi guys, so this is the result after 30 minutes. I'm just gonna put gloves. Some of the color will go to your nails. Feel like the roots become light brown or something. Hey guys, so it's kind of like it's turned out into like brown. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can see a hint of purple. Maybe because my hair was, you know, blue, and that's why it's like this. But we will see when it's dry because that is the final. I'm just gonna take this off like so many color. First. Actually, look, my face looks so different with different hair color. It's actually kind of like reddish brown or something. You can actually see, but maybe, you know, once it's really dry like that. My hair is still super wet, but you can see it's actually purple. So this is the final result after my hair dry. So it's kind of like it turned into dark gray color, maybe because my hair was blue. So as you can see, it's kind of like grayish color. So the underneath is some of my black hair turned also brown. I don't know what, probably of the toner it has 9% and 30 volume toner, so that's why my hair also kind of turned brown, especially in the roots, as you can see. So yeah, I don't know if you can see the color. Yeah. And my bangs, it's like purpley grayish or something. So this is my hair on natural light. So as you can really see the color properly, it's grayish. Yeah, I like this one. I like this better. I'm satisfied actually, even though there are some of my black hair turn into brown, but it's still like, you know, low-key color, low-key nice. I like it. Right? What do you think? So guys, that's it for today's video, and thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as I enjoyed making it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos from me, and see you on my next video. Bye!